Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to go over how to fix Vizio TV when there's no sound. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals if your Vizio TV is no longer playing sound. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But when my Vizio TV was playing no sound, here's what I did. So what I did was that I first turned off the TV, and then next I grabbed my power outlet of my TV, which is this plug right over here, and I went ahead and unplugged it. So after you unplug it, you want to make sure that it's unplugged for about a minute or so, but during that time you want to press and hold the power button on your Vizio TV for about 30 seconds. Okay, so hold it for 30 seconds and then afterwards let go and make sure that your TV is unplugged for about a minute. And after that minute, you want to go ahead and replug it back in. And then after you replug it back in, go ahead and turn your TV back on. So once your TV is turned back on, you'll give it a couple of minutes to actually go ahead and reload back up, because what you did was just a soft reset of your TV. Now, next what you can do in order to fix your sound is that you can grab your Vizio TV remote and then click on the menu option. And then on the menu option, you want to click on audio. And then under audio, you want to make sure that your speakers are not off. So right now my speakers are set to auto, or you can set it to on. But that also might be a reason why your Vizio TV is no longer playing sound. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Vizio TV when there's no sound. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.